When it comes to lingerie, size does matter. Believe it or not, the majority of women aren't wearing a bra that's the right size for them. Wearing a bra that fits properly can help your clothes fit better and make you feel more confident. So, together, we're going to help you look for those signs that you're not wearing the correct bra size and give you advice on how to get the right fit. Put on your favourite bra and we'll get started. You can pause for a second if you need to. So now that you've put your bra on, there are 5 key areas you can check at home to make sure you're wearing the right size for you. We're going to help you gain a full 360 understanding of how to get the perfect bra fit, starting with the center part of your bra. It should sit flat against your chest, like this. It should fit comfortably and not feel too tight. If the wire's sitting firmly against your breastbone, then it's just right. Now let's talk about cup size. If your breast spills over and creates a double bust effect, you probably need to go up a cup size or 2. But, on the other hand, if the cup fabric looks a bit baggy, then you probably need to go down a size. Now take a look at your underwire. It should fully encompass your bust, sitting around but not on it. So, if the wire sitting away from your bust, it's not supporting you properly, go down a cup size. And if your wire's poking you here, go up a cup size. Next, let's check out your underband. It should sit straight around your body, feeling firm but comfortable, with enough space to fit 2 fingers underneath when the middle hook and eye are fastened. If your underband is riding up your back, or if it's loose enough to easily pull away from your body, it's too big, so you'll need to go down a back size. This forces your straps to do all the heavy lifting, which isn't great support-wise. Everybody has their own preference when it comes to adjusting their straps. But, as a general rule, you want them to be tight enough so that they don't easily slip off your shoulders, but loose enough so that they don't dig into them. Adjust your straps until they feel comfortable, yet supportive. Now, all that's left is to make sure you've got an all-round perfect fit by dropping the straps off your shoulders. If your bra stays in the same place and still provides support, the fit's just right. For more help or advice, you can pop into your local Debenhams and speak to one of our specialist bra fit advisors for a free professional bra fitting. We'd recommend you'd get this done at least twice a year.